Bitch, I am the one, don't wait your son, don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family. My enemies, your enemies, my enemies, we whip them up like a canteen. The yellow tanks around the face, don't have a face, don't knock you like up in the gate.
Let's see. Oh shoot! This man is steadily chipping me out. Oh shit! Oh shit, no! Oh! Wow, you armor framed. Oh, what? Ah! B-pad. Wife, what are you even over here doing? I think my wife is singing the Goofy movie songs. Oh, she is. It's okay, well, fireball! You know, in the back of my mind, I knew I shouldn't jump because I was like, wait, does he have? Yeah, he does. Oh my god, I know there's a gap there. There it is. I'm trying to find this hole as a bitch, man. What? Oh, what? Nope. No flawlesses. Oh, fireballs again! I knew it! That's what I was expecting to happen on the first match. Yeah, you burned my penis, man. I have a crispy penis. My penis is roasted. I literally have a roasted weenie. Wait. That means Kung Jin can now ask the question. Ask me about my wiener. I might be getting destroyed, but I'm having a blast. Oh shit, Scorpion, doing Scorpion stuff! No, not the Arise Chicken Arise. Oh god. Here we go with these long extensions. Oh fuck! And here we go with the mix-up. I'm gonna let you have all this. Overheads are not nice! No. The chicken! Nope. Oh, Party Like a Rock Star did not just come on in my head saying. Oh, it's solid. I'm gonna lose this round, but it's totally worth it. Scorpion! He parties like a rock star! Shit! It's okay. You ain't rise chickening on me. That shit ain't safe. Okay. Unsafe. It's coming back, y'all. Just a little bit. Come here, Scorpion. Oh, he kicked me. Come on. Oh, shit. What's the mix? What's the mix? Overheads are not nice! Shit! I hate overheads, man. Oh, I keep forgetting about the one that flies from the skies. Oh, I did the kick! I did the kick! I did the kick! I did the kick. It didn't do the kick. It did the belly flop and not the kick. And I died because my foot didn't extend. Sadness. It's in my soul. Alright, Boracho, you gotta show you party like a rock star, man. You come in crunk. Let this chorus kick up real quick. Shit! Oh no! We can talk! Oh, not the extensions. Oh, fuck. This is somebody who knows how to... Thank you! You stay down there if you want to. Oh, you slide in my DMs. They're not open. Oh, overheads. Oh, pain. Oh, boy, Scorpius Fierce. No. Okay. I got the strongest cane in the world, boy. This shit is made of mahogany. Mahogany. No. Scorpion! Overheads are still... you were just like 4 for 5 or 7.5 on a Tuesday. But I think it was a Wednesday. Then again, my legend could have started. Oh, it didn't start on this Thursday or Friday. Today's Friday. Oh, the chickens! Oh, he made all the chickens arise! That's okay, I got a full stick of butter. What? Oh, he kicked me. Okay. Holy shit! The chickens! Oh my, you are just... You have so much mileage in this overhead. Thank you. Huh! Overheads! Oh no! I'm doing stuff! I'm doing stuff! Ah! Don't die! Don't die! Don't die! The chickens got me! No! And it's sluggy! Aw, I didn't let you do it. I died to the robot chicken. God damn it, Scorpion. You've always been a bane. A fun bane, but a bane. I'm gonna get my victory, y'all. Get over here, Luke Kane. Oh, he kicked me. Ah, the light ones. Yeah, those in the air too. That's that bullshit, man. What kind of chosen one plot armor do you have? Oh no! The dark shit! The dark shit! The dark shit! Oh, it's eating my health! The dark shit just says no, no, no. I don't care. Oh, it explodes! Oh yeah, forget about that. You mother... The third one said, I got tracks too. Let's go. Let's go. Ow. Oh, you kicking people. Oh shit, no. Oh shit. No. 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 Ah. Yes. Oh. Yes. I don't know what just happened in that last engagement. I don't know. Woo! This man just flew out of here. Stop charging up your energy, sir. Oh my god, I'm gonna get my hand on you, Lucan. Lucan! Oh shit! I got hit! Ah! Enhanced fought. Now you're in my corner, boy. What? Fucking pull! The pull! Ah! This is bullshit! Ah! I can't believe it! Lucan's plot armor was so strong. He said, farts, I trained with you. I'm used to these. Never heard of them. It just bicycle kicked right through it. He said, I'm immune. It's like Luffy and Enel, the one person who could counter him. I'ma get him. Oh, Lucanes in their prime are always so fucking difficult to fight. Oh, that spike. Oh no, he figured it out. You're over here lowering your hitbox. Ah! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! You almost almost did it. Yeah! Stop it! Let's go, Boraicho. Ow. Ow again. Oh, you would just jab, man. Ow. I'm gonna get my hands. Oh, wait. Oh, I just remembered another combo. Ow. No, dead. Oh, he got me. Okay. Okay. Damn it, Kane. Oh my god! The darkness! I didn't know I was still playing Destiny 2 here, man. The darkness and the light. You are going to stop all your Lucane bullshit. That meter's gone now. If I get my hands, one good touch. Oh no, Lucane! All the jabs! All the jabs. We gotta get it. I love it. This is how you warm my Mortal Kombat muscles up. Hell yeah. And now that I'm more warmed up, I want to try him again. Actually, I think I know what the issue was. Here we go. There we go. Oh shit. Fireballs! Fireballs are not nice! No! Yeah! Ow. Ow. Overheads. Oh, fireballs in my face! Oh, that punch thing! Okay, alright. Whew. I got this. You really broke it. Back up! Yeah! I knew it! I knew it! Yes! Ha! Ah! God damn it, it took me 16 fucking losses, but my man, it came back. Yes! It doesn't matter how long it takes you to eat that goddamn extra large blizzard. You ate that blizzard.